guys, welcome back to another CV Linens quick video. My name is Myra and today I'll be showing you how to assemble our portable photo backdrop kit. So let's go ahead and get started. Your kit will arrive with a handy carrying bag. The carry bag will include all the parts needed for setup, including 2 clamps, 2 adjustable tripod stands, and 4 crossbar sections. For your convenience, the carry bag has 3 separate compartments. This will help neatly store all parts after each use. Setting up the tripod stands. Loosen the lever on the side of the legs and gently push down on them. This will allow you to set it to the desired stability point. Next, tighten the lever at the top of the legs to secure them in place. Repeat this step with the next leg stand. Assembling the crossbar. Each section is labeled as A, B, B, and D. Snap them in place in order ensuring the pins lock in. Setting up the backdrop stand. Now it's time to put all the parts together. Start by removing the wing nut and one of the washers on the screw at the top of the stand. The upright stands will attach to the hole at the ends of section A and D. Place one end on the crossbar over the screw, add a washer, and tighten it in place. Repeat with the other end of the crossbar. Lastly, adjust the height of the backdrop using the levers on the side of the leg stands. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can head on over to our website, cvlinens.com, to purchase your new portable photo backdrop kit today. Also check out some of our social pages to get some more event inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.